Okay, welcome to the lecture. Yes, as you all know, this is Vyond, and this is what I'll be using for my 2D animation and whiteboard animation. So in this lecture, I'm just going to go over how to use, okay, how to put your script together. The script is very important when it comes to 2D animation and whiteboard animation. So I'm going to be talking about how to put your script together easily. Okay, and as you can see, I'm using Google Doc for this one. And why I'm using Google Doc is because I want to get the script written. I'm gonna do voiceover, I'm gonna do an AI voiceover, and I'm gonna do one using my voice. Okay, for this one I'm gonna be using my natural voice. Yes, so in the intro you'll be getting my natural voice. So what I usually would do is to come over to tools. As you can see my cursor, come over to tools, and I want to do voice typing. Okay, why I want to do voice typing, it helps me faster, save time, because when it comes to 2D animation and whiteboard animation, you want to be efficient with your time. Okay, so this would help me with my time while I could just read out my script and it's going to auto type for me. If you don't know this feature already, it exists and I use it a lot. So I'm just going to click on this mic icon and just go through my script, and then we'll see it written out, and then I'll also record it again because this is what I'm going to be using for the voiceover for my 2D animation. For the intro you watch, this is what I'll be using. Okay, so I'm going to click on this now and write up all the script. So I want you to follow me step by step. Let's do that. Hi, my name is David Oisamoje. Okay, I'm going to be your instructor on this course, and I'm going to be showing you a lot in this 2D animation and whiteboard animation course. I would take you through the process of creating me as a character and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. So if this is something you want to know how to create, and you want to know how to create engaging whiteboard animation and 2D animation videos for your business or personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course now. See you inside. So now we have the script all set out. All I need to do now is just go over and just make corrections where needed. All right, just need to just make little correction. Remember, this is AI, so it's going to be creating me, not creating myself as a character, and my friend Chili will be the female character. All right, so it has to be capital letter. All right, okay, make sure you enroll in this course now. Okay, so this is how I usually just do it, and I just go over and try to break them down. So now I have the script. So if you want to decide to give someone to make the voiceover for you, you can just give them this particular script. They'll go out and make the voiceover. So for me, I'm going to be using my voice, so I'm going to go over again and just read out the script just the way I want it, and just the way you edit now, that is the same way I'm just going to put it into the recorder. Okay, you can use your phone if you're in a quiet place. If you're not in a quiet place, then I would advise you to go to a very quiet place. Sorry about that. I advise you to go to a very quiet place and just make a recording. But if you don't want to use your own voice, then it's fine. You can find someone to do the voiceover for you. Okay, so this is how to do voiceovers and how to write your script. So in the next video, I'm going to start showing you how I put things together. In fact, I'm going to make a voiceover and I'm going to show you the recording so that you hear it for yourself. Okay, so I'll do that in the next class. Let's go. Yes, so my name back. Sorry about that. Welcome back. So yes, I already made a natural voiceover of myself using my natural voice, the voice you are hearing right about now. Okay, so I did that, and as you can see, it has been recorded. I used my mic. You can use your phone, you can use your headset, just something that makes it clear if you don't want someone to do it for you. But if you want it to sound more professional, then you need to get someone to do it for you. Okay, right? So if you just want to do it yourself, you can do it for yourself. This is one I've done for myself. I'm going to play it for you right about now. Okay, I'll play it for you right about now so that you can listen and hear the way it sounds. And this is what you're going to be seeing in an introduction video, or this is what you saw in the introduction video, because by now watching this lecture you would have watched that introduction video, and that's what got you into this course. So let me play it for you and you hear how it sounds. So let's go. Hi, my name is David Oisamuji, and I will be your course instructor on this course. In this 2D animation and whiteboard course, I will take you through the process of creating a character, which is myself and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. So if this is something you want to know how to do, you want to know how to create engaging whiteboard and 2D animation video for your business, or for businesses and for personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course right now. I will see you inside. Yes, so you can see that is the voiceover I did for myself, and I'm going to be using it in the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you now. If you want to use AI, there is a process for that, and I'm going to be showing you that also. So this is where you want to go to. As you can see, this is where you want to be. Okay, so all you have to do now is to take the script you already made, and that's why you need to make your script. Okay, you just need to take that script, put in every part you want. For me, I won't put in every part I want right now because I just want to use my natural voice. But if I was not using my natural voice, definitely this is what I will be using. Okay, so I'll just, okay, let me just stop at myself as a character. Okay, so now what you want to do is, now that you have this script in this box, you want to scroll down and do some tweaking, and you want to click on natural TTS. Okay, very important. And then you want to decide what accent you want your character to own. Okay, it might be English USA, English UK. You have a lot to choose from. Okay, you have a lot to choose from. English Kenya and so on, English Nigeria. Okay, so let's see English Nigeria. Let's see what they have for us. Is a female. Okay, let's just see what this, because it's been long I used this tool. I like to use natural voice, but it's been long, but I love to check it out because it always has some amazing voice. I want to see how funny this character will sound, especially from me. Okay, just in case you don't know, this is where I'm from, so I just want to see how it sounds. All right, so let's see. For the setting, I would just want to click on the highest possible sample rate, which is 4800. Okay, 48,000, right? And I don't think I want to do anything. I might just want to change also the conversation tone, that is voice effect. Okay, as you can see, it's on default. You can make it anyone, but for this one they don't have this extra effect, just the default one. So we just want to see how it sounds. So now you just click on convert, and it's going to convert and read out your script. Let's wait.
Hi, my name is David Oisamuji. I'm going to be your instructor on this course, and I'm going to be showing you a lot in this 2D animation and whiteboard animation course. I will take you through the process of creating myself as a character.
You can see that's what you just heard. So let me see what the male sounds like. So I'm going to do same conversion again and listen.
Hi, my name is David Oisamuji. I'm going to be your instructor on this course, and I'm going to be showing you a lot in this 2D animation and whiteboard animation course. I will take you through the process of creating myself as a character.
Well, as you can hear it, well, that's not the way I sound. If that's the way I sound, let me know in the comment, but I doubt that's the way I sound. So now I'm just going to go over and go to English USA. Okay, or English English UK, British, that's British. So let me find that. I'll just find that and use that instead. So here you have options. You love to use, I think it's Williams, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Williams Mill. Okay, so I like to use Williams. William always have this natural tone. Okay, and I can set him to in conversation. Okay, no, it's default. So all I have to do now is to click on that.
Hi, my name is David Oisamoje. I'm going to be your instructor on this course, and I'm going to be showing you a lot in this 2D animation and whiteboard animation course. I will take you through the process of creating myself as a character.
As simple as that. So you can see how simple it is. You can do this for yourself using this. Okay, you can use this, all right, and just go through the process. It's quite easy to do, and you'll be able to do that. So this is me showing you how to use AI and how my own natural recording sounded. So it's up to you. You pick which one you want to use for yourself and just go with it. I hope you enjoyed this course. So now I'm just going to go through the Vyond interface, then we can go through on the process of creating the introduction video you saw in the beginning. Stay with me. Yes guys, welcome to lecture 3 if I'm not wrong, which I doubt I will be anyway. So yes, this is me going through the interface of what we're going to be using. We are going to be using Vyond, as you can see. Okay, we're going to be using Vyond. Vyond is a very good software to use for creating crafts like this. Okay, and it's super easy to use. It's not complicated at all, trust me. So this is how it's going to look. Your videos you create are going to appear up here, and if you create a folder for them, they will definitely appear just like this. Okay, so these are different folders. All right, so what you want to do to first to create folder, all you need to do is just to click here, create the folder, and drag whatever video you want to put in that folder. Okay, move to, you can move, use that just the way you do for Microsoft Word or any other file. So it's quite easy to use and understand. And when it comes to creating a video, all you need to do is to click on create a video, like I'm going to do now. So I'll just click on create a video. Going to load up, and it's going to ask you which style you want. As you can see, there are 3 different styles you can choose from. You have whiteboard, animation, business friendly, and contemporary. Okay, so it depends on which particular one you want to use, or which kind of style you want it to look like. You want this style, this is contemporary, it's going to look like that. If you want business friendly, you have more of business looking style. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Here you can see it playing now. It's business friendly, right? So this contemporary, this is how it's gonna look. Things changing, yes, just like this. It's up to you depending on what you really want. And this is whiteboard, the traditional whiteboard, which has a very good conversion and engagement rate. I always love whiteboard. This is something I've done for years, and it's always engaging anytime you watch it. I'm sure any one of you who have watched a whiteboard video always try to watch it to the end, because it's always moving, always engaging with the hands, with the effect and all. That's why I love it. So you have these 3 options depending on what you want the video to be about. Then you can choose on any of this one. Okay, you can choose on any of this one. As you can see, recommended for branded videos, animation, infograph, promotional videos, and demos. And this, okay, recommended for narrow-based training, company culture video, announcements, explainer videos, okay, and whiteboard, recommended for tutorials, micro learning video, and complex ideas. Okay, so this is a skill, this is an earned skill you can learn depending on what you want at that particular time. You can now choose on soever. That does not mean you can't mix these 3 styles like you saw in the introduction video. You can definitely mix these 3 styles up together, but for this case I'm just going to click on this and just wait for it to load. Okay, it's going to give you an animation screen. Do not take too much of a time to load, not take too much of a time. It's just going to give you a brief tutorial which you can click on and go watch more. Okay, but in this video I'm going to be showing you most of the most important things you need anyways. So you're just going to go through and watch it for yourself. It should not take you time to load it up. Seriously, it should not take you a lot of time at all. As you can see, it's loading up and it's almost done loading up. So it's quite easy. So you can see I'm just showing us some brief add text to speech. You can also do text to speech from here, but when I prefer to do my outside the app. As you can see, this is how it's going to look, and this is where the action is going to happen. Okay, where it's all going to happen. This is where you're going to be uploading. This is your upload tab. Then this is where you have to change the name of the file, whatever name of the project, you have to put it here, because for every action you make, for every 30 seconds to 1 minute, is going to auto save. So you want to make sure this name is changed to whatever name you want. You can just do that and change the name. Then if you have to upload something extra you want to add to the video, this is where you want to do it. Like for our voiceover, this is where we are going to be doing from uploads. Okay, this is where you want to be doing it. For anything you have to upload that you want to add to your video, you're going to be doing it from here. Okay, and this is characters. I'm going to be showing you how to make characters in the next video, so make sure you watch that too. This is just a brief interface of the Vyond platform, okay, which you're going to be using for your 2D and whiteboard animation. So these are characters, as you can see: casual, creating, government, health, and all other ones you can use in creating such amazing videos. Okay, then you have props. Props are chairs, light, and all those things. So as you can see, the food, emojis, and animals, and all. This course is going to be an amazing course, and I'm sure if you watch it to the end, you're going to be extremely happy you did that. So this one is charts, different charts. You have moving charts, you have static charts, different chart, and yes, you can change all the elements in all these charts. You can actually change it to suit whatever you are talking about. Then as usual, we have text, which is very important. You have animated text, you have text you can add your own animation to. Okay, depending on the style you choose, you can have different style. This is for the whiteboard. Okay, this is for business friendly. Okay, so this is it, and this is for contemporary. So you can see we have different types. Then audio. Okay, you can see there are some audios you can add as background music. You can add audio as background music if you want to do that, but for me, I don't want to, so I might not add as you saw in the introduction video, but you can actually add that and it will just play in the background. Okay, so that is that for that section. This other side of it, you see, this is what you can add or replace. Like if you have a character and you want to replace the character with another character, you can add and replace. That's what this one is for. You might be seeing it in the video or in other sections or other courses. Okay, in this full series you might be seeing how I use that. Okay, this is preview. You preview what you've done and continue like that. This one is to change the background from this blue or green. You can change the background. This one is for seeing transition. Do you want it to pop? Do you want it to slide in? That kind of thing. Okay, and now when you are done creating your video, this is where you want to click to download the video. You can just click on that. It's going to either download in 720 or 1080p. Okay, then you can actually download them as gift. If you created a very short one, like for announcement, and you want it to be saved as gift, you can also use that, do that for yourself. Okay, so this is it. This is camera. Okay, you can use this to just add camera, like move from this small part to this bigger picture. You get it, just to add effects to your videos and so on. Scene settings, how long do you want it to be, how short do you want it to be. Quite simple if you ask me. This platform Vyond for your 2D animation, whiteboard animation, is quite easy. So like I said, in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to make my character and Chili. If you remember Chili from the introduction, I'm going to be showing you how to make male and female characters. So please make sure you watch that and watch to the end. My name remains David.